different things. First of all, when we are reading the question, it is very imperative to identify which tense the question is asked. If the question is asking something regarding the speculative statement, we need to identify the option which is also state the speculative, or we are not supposed to select the answer which is past tense or something. The tense of the question and the option is very important. And then regarding the gist, when we are hearing an audio, it is very crucial to identify the gist, because most of the cases the gist itself contain the answer. So it is very easy to identify the answer itself. And then regarding the modal verbs, it is very essential to identify the functions of modal verb like may. Most probably may usually shows the possibility, and should and must. These are the modal verbs, and it is very essential to identify the modal verbs and its function. Sometimes it lead to the answer. Then regarding the scales like most, majority, it is very essential to identify the modal verb as well. Then regarding the questions like factual, there is two types of questions, question based on fact and opinion. The opinion based questions mainly we can identify by using modal verbs and opinions like opinion phrases. And the modal verbs may, might, can, could. These are the modal verbs. In the case of phrases, I think, I hope, in my opinion, in my view, if the author says something like that, we can identify that it says author's opinion. And then the next thing is author can tell the opinion of another person and the opinion of himself. So from the questions, we need to identify what the author is talking about. And we need, in the audio, we need to identify whether the opinion is by the author itself or the opinion is by any other persons. It also help us to understand the answer.